Hey guys, welcome back to the A World channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an ender pearl farm. Well, how to get ender pearls before the end. Because obviously you need ender pearls to go to the end. So, let's see. So, a couple ways I do it is I have librarians, I have farmers, I have this cleric guy. This cleric, he sells me the ender pearls for 5 emeralds, I think. So if I just take some of these carrots and I can replant them. Pretty sure one of my farmers can give me emeralds for carrots. Actually, wait, it's nighttime right now. I'm going to go to sleep first. Oh shoot, it's not me. I hate doing this. Okay, there you go. Oh! So, one way I can get the emeralds is I go to my farmers, or actually I go to this guy, my stonemason, and I sell him all this andesite I have in my inventory. And I now have 5 emeralds, which is just enough to get 1 ender pearl from my cleric. So that's 1 ender pearl. Another thing is I can take a bunch of glass and I can turn it into glass bottles and I can sell it to him. There's a couple other things I can do. Also, I have 3 different zombie spawners, so I can buy them and I can get tons of rotten flesh. But if I go to my farmers, I think one of them. Oh, okay. Well, sometimes they'll trade you like specific crops that you have. So 2 of mine actually give me, will take wheat for emeralds. So I should probably get a proper farm up, but I haven't had the time to do that. But I can also see, I have my librarians and I have a ton of them. So if I come over here to my sugarcane farm, and I can clear my inventory a bit. So I can take the sugarcane and I can just, so yeah, I'll go through all my sugarcane, I'll take it. Make sure I don't destroy the bottoms. So if you look at my inventory right now, I have already almost like 2 stacks of sugarcane, and I'm missing a lot of it. I'll go back over there after, and I'll get all the stuff that I didn't collect. Hello there, drowned. You know, imagine if he gives me a trident. Trident, please. Ah! No trident. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of sugarcane already. So I can just come along here, destroy all the sugarcane, and yeah, I'm gonna go through it all and see if there's any certain I missed. See, I have over 3 stacks of sugarcane right now. I have a lot of sugarcane. That's all you need to know. And now all this sugarcane can be turned straight into diamonds. So if I go over to my unfinished house, please don't bully me. I can come in here and I can just go like this. And then now I have a ton of it. Why isn't it letting me pick this up in a second? Okay, there we go. Now I have a ton of paper, which I can sell to my librarians. For you. Breaking one, I don't want to lock you. I don't want to lock you. See, if you trade with a villager, then they lock, and they so if you want to change their trades by like destroying their lectern and then having them have a different trade, it won't work because you've already traded with them. Now if I find a different one, looting 2, yes, I want this guy, so I can just, yep, I got 8 emeralds from that, and I leveled up too, so I can go all the way down here, and I can buy another ender pearl. So yes, villagers are the best way to get ender pearls. No art, like hands down, they're the best way. But another good way is if you go to a desert. I think, yeah, there's desert over there. If you go to a desert and so if you go to a desert at night and you look for Enderman, because they what was I gonna say? They oh yeah, the Endermen, they spawn most of the time in the deserts. But as you can see right there, I just got 12 Eyes of Ender, meaning I am ready to fight the Ender Dragon. Although I should probably get a bit more. I didn't have enough blaze powder. So yeah. And I guess I'll take this. So I can also like see, where is it? I have more paper in here, but I also have yes, glass bottles right there, and I can make more with this glass. Just go like that. I don't want too many. So yeah, all you gotta do is smelt up some sand here, and you've got yourself glass, and it's pretty easy to do the rest. So now I have to go to my cleric again, and I need to sell him these. And now I can buy yet another ender pearl. So, yep, those are some easy ways to do it. So yeah, easy ways to get emeralds. librarians, farmers, if you have a good enough farm. I don't. Stonemasons, because you can straight up sell them stone. And, see, I just got enough for another ender pearl. Where's my cleric at? Oh gosh, I suck at parkour in Minecraft. There you go. And that's another ender pearl. So now, if I just go into the nether and I get some blaze rods, which I'm not going to do right now, I can just turn these into eyes of ender. So yeah, you can go deserts, you can do it from clerics. Pretty sure that's the only ways to do it, but yeah. Yeah, so I might make a video about like really good ways to get emeralds, so you know how to get that kind of all these ender pearls. If you don't have emeralds and you don't live near a desert, it's going to take you a long time to get you emeralds. So yeah, that's going to be the video. Like the video if this helped you, and you can subscribe you can subscribe to my channel and see my other videos. Also, if you want to check out my TikTok, that's at Ali537, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you later. Thanks for watching.